Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. So the largest European shop for Can Am Spyder and Riker aftermarket parts. And today, very fast installation video about this running light, brake light for your storage for Can Am Spyder RT20 Plus models with the top case, or with F3t or F3 Limited, of course, with the top case. In Europe, Australia, and I believe in Asia, we are not having these lights as you guys or as guys in America where they work as a brake light or daylight. So of course Martin the Vlogger has the solution. BRP is not bringing those units into Europe for the Spyders. So Martin the Vlogger has the solution, and this is very fast installation video. In case you would like to have this, MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And 2022 rules, no bullshit around, straight to the point and no video ads. How cool is that? Now enough of this, let's get started. The very first info, as it is in 2022, you don't need to cut any cables, you don't need any harness, everything is right over there. In case the situation will change over time, I will let you know, but for the moment you just need this tail light from me. It's a plug and play. So basically, it's very difficult. You need to open the rear trunk area, top case area, remove these two push pins. I'm always saying, guys, have one of these. We have them on the shop in the maintenance area of our shop, and you know it's much easier to remove your push pins, and plus you will not scratch any paint from your bike. A couple of dollars investment, very worth. Plus you can get 20 new push pins with it. So how cool is that? Alright, so we have it out, and this is your already done cabling that's in there. And the last thing what we'll need to do, remove these two bolts, replace it with the light, connect it back, and the job's done. All right, now let's test it. I'll share with you 3 more super cool products that, of course, we cannot get in Europe, but Martin the Vlogger. So, you know, let's test it and I'll tell you something more. So, I think this is how it should be done, right? It looks cool and it's extra safety. And it looks cool and it's OM, all right? It doesn't look OM, it is OM. So, now maybe 2 things. I have had already like 2 questions. Okay, Martin, it's not road legal. Yeah, it's not road legal in Europe, Australia, blah, blah, blah. First of all, I mean, it's supposed to be there. It's OM looking. In Slovakia, we have a technical inspection every 4 years on your bike. So in case you will meet really an asshole on a technical inspection, just unplug that light, 3-minute job, and you will pass, I'm pretty sure. Now in real world, on the road, I don't think you will meet any like really asshole-ish policeman that will tell you, hey, that thing is illegal, because it's super hard to notice. And I don't like, even my BMW X6 is having that tail light on the roof. I mean, like, I don't know what's against the rules. I really don't know what is against the rules, but cool thing. And come with me. This is the extra things that I'm bringing to Europe. Sea to Sky always have the beautiful, beautiful signature light. I was so much looking forward to that, to see it in the real. Customer didn't order it, so I will be not doing installation for the moment, but it's just beautiful, you know, have it there. Stay tuned, because I'm just leaving for a tour and one guy is having them from me. So I'll definitely check on those. And we have this. This is another thing that we do not have. It's a signature light. Sea to Sky for sure, and it's option on less like luxurious versions of RT20s, but signature light for RTs. We have them, again, OM part. Martin the Vlogger is having everything. And we have these auxiliary lights that they go right over here. Guys, this is pretty much it about this, because this is an installation video, not really a promotion video. Check MartinTheVlogger.com for more how-to videos. Visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And by the way, guys, this right over here is my tour and rental agency, because I'm having those things. How cool is that? Now, enough of this. Oh, remember, always have fun.